welcome to Patrick's Zone. Yes, it's morning right now, girl, and I just drink coffee. It's coffee, yeah. Ooh. Okay. Today we have a small cooking with along the second part of gossiping. Yeah. Okay, and if you haven't seen the video part one, I'll put it here. It's like here. I think here or no, here. Okay, no matter. And you should definitely watch it, girl. You should definitely watch it. It's chef's kiss. I love part one. Okay. Hi again. Welcome to Patrick Kitchen. Today I want to make my favorite dessert, pancakes. Yes. Today it's Thursday and it's weekend, so I can break the diet. Yay! Okay, if you don't know, I should say that in Iran, Thursday and Friday are weekends, not Saturday and Sunday. So it's my weekend sorry. Today it's my weekend. Yeah. Now let's make it. Yay. I start with flour. You can add some flour like you like, so because you know what? I love cinnamon, so love so much. So I need to add very much cinnamon. Thank you, cinnamon. And I don't add sugar, so but because yeah, honey, it's great. Better than sugar, you know what? So, I think like this. Yeah, oh my god, it's enough. And now, we mix it in. Okay, and now I add it's a low fat milk, yeah, but without lactose, so that's it. I think a glass of milk is enough, so now, oh shit. Done.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Seconds later.
They ready to design. Look at this. It's art, girl. Art. I love it. Wow. Wow. Okay, but now it's gossip time. Yes.
Nice.
Alright, the first case is if you don't want to stop into the fringes and live in a peace, girl, don't laugh with a guy in university. Of course, be careful. I mean Iranian universities, and don't do this when the rest of class in the class. Oh, wait. It's a red flag. Big red flag. Boom. Yeah. Okay, this will make the guy proudly said to his friends that you are one who wants him. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? And oh my god, and he didn't make any effort. But I just laugh with you. Not anymore, not any flirt, not any fucking things. Yeah. Come on. Okay, and this will make other students think that you are together.
What the fuck?
Okay, just stop, guys. Just stop it. Yeah. And if you don't talk for days, oh my god, listen. They will think that you have broken up, girl. It's a true and it's a real. But you just laugh with him. Just laugh, not anything, not flirt, not anything. Just laugh. Come on. This, then, if you really like someone, okay, if you what? Really like someone, that person won't approach you because he will understand how that guys talked about you. Are you kidding me? Are we serious? Just stop it. I think it's enough for today. I think it's ready, and it's ready also, so open it, yay. Wow, look at this girl. Look like ice cream. Wow. Okay, and I think it's